Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to improve form field accessibility with the label element. Improving accessibility with semantic HTML markup applies to using both appropriate tag names as well as attributes. The next several challenges cover some important scenarios using attributes in forms. The label tag wraps the text for a specific form control item, usually the name or label of a choice. This ties meaning to the item and makes the form more readable. The for attribute on a label tag explicitly associates the label with the form control and is used by screen readers. You learned about radio buttons and their labels in a lesson in the basic HTML section. In that lesson, we wrapped the radio button input element inside a label element along with the label text in order to make the text clickable. Another way to achieve this is by using the for attribute as explained in this lesson. The value for the for attribute must be the same as the value for the ID attribute in the form control. Here's an example. So as you can see, the label for is here, and then the ID or the name is actually the same. Of the value of the ID for the form control. So this one, the input and then the for should be equal. Campercat expects a lot of interest in his thoughtful blog posts and wants to include an email sign-up form. Add a for attribute to the email label that matches the ID on the input field. Add a for attribute to the email label. So here we have the email label. So we want to add a for attribute. And we want to make sure it matches. So we can just call this one, I'm just going to call it email. And then we've got our for element in here, and then the input right now, the ID is equal to email. So this actually matches. So that I kind of just jumped the gun and got it right there. And so if we run the test, this should pass. So yeah, this is just basically all about making it so that you're keeping your labels and your inputs linked up in HTML5 for accessibility. And so, yeah, hope this helps you guys, and we'll see you in the next lesson.